Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My husband has had hearing loss for several years, and so we are so pleased that he was able to get over-the-counter hearing aids from Vivtone. For one thing, you can take an actual hearing test when you get them. So you just download the app, connect it to the hearing aids, and then you're going to take that test. Once it's completed, it's actually going to customize the settings for your hearing aids to optimize sound. And the company also has really good customer service that can help you to really get it honed in to what you need. The style on these is receiver and canal. My husband really likes that. He uses them extensively for phone calls and for Bluetooth connection. Keep in mind that if you're new to hearing aid use, it may take up to 3 weeks in order for you to become accustomed to hearing more ambient noise and making adjustments so that you can really get the optimized levels. My husband really liked that these come with 4 presets, and you can just touch a button on the unit themselves in order to switch between a quiet environment inside, a noisy environment inside, or a noisy outside environment, or the Bluetooth or music connections. So they come with their own recharging case, and once they're powered up, they can last for 24 hours just on the hearing aid setting, or up to 3 hours if you're streaming Bluetooth into them. These hearing aids from Vivtone have been a really good option for my husband. We think you should check them out, and that's our point of view.